Hey guys, Blitzy and I have a message for you, man. I was standing here looking at the backyard, looking at my only vertical radiator. A vertical radiator for 10 meters that I've lovingly coined the name for the Michigan Silly Stick. Look at this shit, man. One screw holds it to the post. What do I think's gonna happen? You know, I didn't put another screw in because I didn't give a crap. I kind of fell in love with the Michigan Silly Stick as it is. Now, I have straightened it, believe me, several times. I stroll past it, I'll reach an arm out and offer it a hand and straighten it. But the prevailing winds come from that direction, and it seems that Mother Nature likes it this way. Why would I want to fight or argue with Mother Nature? Now, one more thing. Dear neighbor Cindy has had a heart attack, and now my lawn mowing has gloriously doubled. She's fine. She has 3 stents in her. She's in Hurley Medical Center in a CICU, a department that I used to maintain when working there. And it's time, guys. I've pretty much caught up with the yard work. Yes, I have more projects to do, you know, landscaping and flower planting. And Nancy, my sister, the nurse, she was distraught that I was going to destroy the hostas that I dug out of a front flower bed because I hate hostas. Instead, I owed my sister something. I had these damn landscaping bricks from the previous owner that had a hi Blitzy, had a flower feature in the middle of the yard. I got sick of mowing around it and eliminated it. And why the babble? And guys, sorry about my babbling. I try to minimize it, but I repeatedly fail. So I embrace it. And that's what you do. And it's time. It's hard to believe that as financially stressed as I am, life brought me a nano VNA, didn't it? Life and, well, we won't say who. You know who you are. It's time, man. It starts with one loop on ground. Like I said, I'm going to experiment on all of the different HF bands at varying heights. And when I've had my fun experimenting with one, I'm going to double it and phase it with a second one and make a steerable phased array for the low bands. Right? That's what the Nano VNA will do for me. And you know what, man? Isn't it funny? I've said it before, and I'm going to say it again, man. When you're incredibly lonely as a retiree, suddenly the best friend you've ever had adopts you as his daddy. Wow. Is my babbling that boring, Blitzen? Damn. Damn. And isn't it funny? I thought I'd never be able to afford another antenna analyzer. As it turns out, I didn't have to. Isn't it funny? Now, the Michigan cacti is going back up here any day now. And isn't it funny, guys, how by the FCC sitting on my renewal application for 11 months and doing nothing? And I know why, man. My ham radio activities have only increased. I don't talk to many people. on the bands, but I never did. I bet I didn't have 5 QSOs a month at that. Been going through hell lately, man. And, yeah, right? Things are going well now. But, that's not even the point. I've never been very active on the bands unless I was doing some low power experimenting or, antenna work, in which case I'm listening 99.9% of the time. It's not about transmitting. Oh, it was handy as hell being able to use the RBN network. Throw out some test, DEN8NK, test. I'd repeat that 3 times, sit back and watch the hits roll in from all over the planet, or sometimes not. Right? Check out Jet. Is he not glorious? Yes, he is, guys. Maybe unwisely, I chose Jet over a new car. I truly did. It's like, damn, down payment on another car. The best lawn and garden tractor ever built, leading to the John Deere 1025 and 1028 and upward. Mr. Brindley hauls my shit around. And that's right. That's right. Antenna work to do, guys. Oh, man. Do you have any idea? There it is. What a relief it is to have the shingles done. Yeah. Plop, plop, fizz, fizz. Oh, what a blitz he is. Hey, Blitzen, you want to say bye to the fellas? We got to get something done, man. I can only bamboozle the boy so long, you see, Blitzy. Yeah. We got to pretend like we're busy. I'm going to go up in the barn loft and hide up there and chill. Guys, thanks for putting up with my Babble bullshit. But once again, the weather's glorious, thanks to that beautiful Mother Nature. Positive reinforcement, remember, even when it's bullshit. Antenna plans, loops on ground, starting with one then phased. The resurrection and renewal and update. Look at that sad piece of shit. For that's what it is. It's a piece of shit. Recycled plastic element spacers that slowly degrade in the UV rays of the sun. Never claimed it to be maintenance free, right? Garbage picked aluminum tubing. Some of it really thin painter pole stuff, right? Found a piece of PVC, used it as a base insulator. Probably not the best thing in the world. It's a little bit reactive to RF. Put a piece in your microwave and see what happens. Or don't. But it's fine, man, at 10 meters. Take care, 73, and have a wonderful Memorial Day. From Chuck and Kyle, Blowzo and Blitzy. 73.